Might Polkadot at any point make me rich? In the event that I put resources into Polkadot today, how rich can the altcoin make me in the following 5 or 10 years? Indeed, in light of its past cost presentation, generally speaking improving profit from speculation, its profoundly progressive innovation, and the way that exchange opinions are bullish about its future, then indeed, Polkadot can make you super rich. Today, Polkadot positions profoundly among the quickest developing blockchains, as reflected in its swelling engineer local area and high-speed cost development. Throughout recent months, for example, its worth has hopped by over 600%, even notwithstanding a plunge. At the pinnacle of spot costs in November, the altcoin had procured its earliest financial backers, a general return on initial capital investment of over 1,700%, really making even the little spec coin hodlers amazingly rich. Yet, might it at any point reflect past execution too in future? Assuming it does, what will it be worth in the following 5 or 10 years? And could I at any point bring in cash in the event that I put resources into DAB token today? Might I at any point bring in cash putting resources into Polkadot spot? Crypto industry specialists and experts are persuaded that Polkadot costs will keep ascending within a reasonable time frame. They are sure that it will increment again soon and perhaps set another record-breaking high. Furthermore, this really infers that it will make its drawn-out financial backers great cash. However, its cost activity likewise shows that spot is an important resource and a currency producer for momentary brokers as well. Over the most recent 30 days, for example, spot costs have been very unpredictable and run somewhere in the range of $22 and $32. Momentary brokers, particularly the informal investors, hence stand to take in substantial income while exchanging the coin's unstable cost developments. However, as you plan to make a DAB venture, we ask that you require some investment to initially situate yourself with various examination instruments and chance administration assets. These prove to be useful in safeguarding your capital and educating you regarding the most probable cost move a coin is supposed to make. For example, how might you let know if spec costs will rise in the future? Even better, how would you let know if Polkadot will at any point reach $100? Will Polkadot, DAB, ultimately reach $100? Indeed, the crypto market is extremely sure that Polkadot will ultimately reach $100. As the spec costs revitalized before in the year, various experts, cost expectation sites, and spot financial backers were persuaded that it will undoubtedly reach $100 and would hit this objective before the year's end. Indeed, even now that the crypto market has plunged, most are as yet persuaded that Polkadot has the stuff to bounce back and reach $100 in the following 5 years. In any case, is spot's run towards $100 practical? Indeed, it has a complete market supply of 1 billion spot coins, ascending to $100. Hence, we'll just give it an all-out market capitalization of $100 billion under 7% of the current crypto industry valuation, and knit exactly 50% of Ethereum's ongoing business sector cap. In 2021, spot moved its costs up by more than 5x to hit $55. Examiners then contend that to get to $100, Polkadot will just have to initially ascend to the November 2021 value levels and twofold this cost to get to the $100. The warm welcome which Polkadot, otherwise called the Ethereum executioner, and its progressive innovation have been met with by the crypto local area, additionally says a lot about its probability to arrive at the objective cost. Furthermore, this is confirmed by the way that its engineer pool has dramatically increased over the most recent year, beating even Ethereum, and the quantity of interest in its blockchain innovation is on a fast upswing. These, in addition to the way that it is one of the most sought-after venture items by speculative financial backers, will undoubtedly drive a tremendous interest for spec coins, which pushes its costs well above $100 soon. What will Polkadot spot be worth in 5 years? There is a staggering conviction inside the crypto business that digital forms of money will get away from the plunge soon and leave on recuperation. Assuming this occurs before the year's end, experts are foreseeing a huge break that pushes Polkadot costs towards $100 in the following 5 years. For example, demonstrates that spec will go into recuperation over the course of the following couple of months and break over its ongoing all-time high to end the year, exchanging at $60.63. Over the course of the following 5 years, their specialized examination demonstrates that Polkadot spec costs might develop by around 475.86%, and reach $156 by mid-January 2027, is likewise bullish on Polkadot's future costs, however, not as hopeful about a potential illustrative development. Throughout the following 5 years, their specialized examination shows that Polkadot DAB will rise dramatically in exchange around $400. What will Polkadot spec be worth in 10 years? Indeed, as we have shown above and as proven by its remarkable ascent prior in the year, Polkadot is an exceptionally unpredictable speculation item. All markers highlight its conceivable recuperation and future development, yet can't tell with most extreme precision the amount Polkadot might be worth in 10 years. The much they can do is take a gander at a portion of the elements expected to impact its costs during this period and offer a viewpoint on the cost heading that each might push spot costs. These include reception. While the last crypto market rally assumed a key part in impelling Polkadot DAB into a cost rally, it could never have prevailed without legitimate reception. Furthermore, as the quantity of trades, conventions, and blockchains communicating with Polkadot blockchain develops, experts expect a burp popular for DAB coins, which pushes its costs up. ETH 2.0 redesign. If and when Ethereum 2.0 update produces results, we could see a decreased interest in Polkadot because of quicker exchange velocities and lower charges on Ethereum. In the event that it doesn't come in soon, we can expect the greater part of the advances on Ethereum to keep connecting to Polkadot to expand the exhibition of their conventions and lower gas expenses. DeFi blast. As more DeFi conventions send off and financial backers pour in additional assets to the specialty, experts expect the greater part of these stages to make connects to Polkadot in a bid to ensure a superior exhibition to their clients. AAV and Compound DeFi applications have previously settled joins with DAB, and more are supposed to follow. Assuming Polkadot supports the ongoing reception, Ethereum proceeds delaying with the ETH 2.0 overhaul, and DeFi supports the phenomenal development being seen today, Polkadot will be exceptionally important in the following 10 years. Is Polkadot DAB a decent long-haul speculation? The crypto local area and current DAB financial backers have fronted various reasons web-based making sense of why they accept Polkadot is a suitable long-haul venture. They have insinuated measurements that ordered spot among the quickest developing blockchain advancements, brought up the preceded with interest by trades and applications that are as of now fabricating connections to Polkadot and its progressive innovation. Yet, maybe more fundamentally, they contend that Polkadot is developed by over 600% over the most recent a year to turn into the 10th biggest digital money, with a market capitalization of more than $26 billion. Yet, is it a decent long-haul speculation? We make sense of this with a model, seeing that DAB costs have shot up by over 600% over the most recent a year. What amount could you have produced using the altcoin in the event that you had purchased $1,000 worth of DAB tokens a year prior? Your venture would be valued at $6,000 today, or about $18,000, assuming you sold at specs cost top, when it had posted a general return on initial capital investment of 1,800%.